SGP 3. Number 1. Was the jackal happy with what the rooster said? ଗଞ୍ଜା ଯାହା କହିଲା ସେଥିରେ କୋକିଶିଆଳ ଖୁସି ଥିଲା କି? Yes, the jackal was happy with what the rooster said. Number 2. What did the rooster do when the jackal opened its mouth? କୋକିଶିଆଳ ପାଟି ଖୋଲିବା ମାତ୍ରେ ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି କ'ଣ କଲା? The rooster immediately flew up to the tree when the jackal opened its mouth. Number 3. What did the rooster do sitting on the branch of a tree? ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି ଗଛ ଡାଲରେ ବସି କ'ଣ କଲା? The rooster sang a song sitting on the branch of the tree. Number 4. Did it realize the mistake it made? ସେ କ'ଣ ସେ କରିଥିବା ଭୁଲ ବୁଝିପାରିଲା? Yes, did the rooster realize the mistake it made? Number 5. What did the jackal do? କୋକିଶିଆଳ କ'ଣ କଲା? The jackal wept and repented for its greater foolishness. Number 6. The jackal said something while weeping. What did it say? କୋକିଶିଆଳ କାନ୍ଦି କାନ୍ଦି କିଛି କହୁଥିଲା। ସେ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲା? The jackal rebuked himself as he was a great fool. Number 7. What was the mistake of the rooster? ଗଞ୍ଜାଟିର ଭୁଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The mistake of the rooster was its plain belief to the jackal. Number 8. What was the mistake of the jackal? କୋକିଶିଆଳର ଭୁଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The jackal believed the rooster and it let it prey free. It was its greater mistake. Number 9. Both realized their mistake. Who sang, who wept, why? ଉଭୟ ନିଜ ନିଜ ଭୁଲ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ। କିଏ ଗାଇଲା, କିଏ କାନ୍ଦିଲା, କାହିଁକି? The rooster sang. It sang when it freed itself from the jackal. The jackal wept. It wept, realizing its foolishness, losing its prey. Number 10. If two persons quarrel or fight, one that wins at the end is said to have the last laugh. Who had the last laugh in the story? ଯଦି ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଝଗଡ଼ା ଲାଗନ୍ତି ବା ମରାମରି ହୁଅନ୍ତି, ଯିଏ ଶେଷରେ ଜିତିଯାଏ କୁହାଯାଏ ଶେଷ ହସଟିଏ ହସେ। ଏ ଗପଟିରେ ସେହିପରି କିଏ ଶେଷ ହସଟିଏ ହସିଥିଲା? In this story, the rooster enjoyed its last laugh. Number 8. MCQ. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The rooster was A, B and C. The rooster was big, handsome, with a crown. Number 2. The rooster wanted to make his song louder, clearer, better. Number 3. The jackal called the rooster. All of A, B and C. Great, handsome, king-like. Number IV. Who chased after the jackal? All of them. The owner, the neighbor of the owner, his wife and son. Number B. The rooster said to the jackal. Number B. Match. Who said what? Draw line. One is done for you. Rooster, I am happy with you. Rooster, what a great feeling. Rooster, why do not you tell this to them? Rooster, I close instead of opening my eyes. Jackal, oh great handsome king like. Jackal, your song will be nice if. Jackal, for opening my mouth, I feel really repented. The owner of the rooster just behind his wife and son joined him also joined his neighbor, but the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. DRERED YRTTRY YADDAY D LYF FLY fly GIB big YEEEYI YAS say eight eight number A combine two sentences into one. One is done for you. ଦୁଇଟି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଗୋଟିଏ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କର. Number 1 The rooster sang it close its eye. The rooster sang closing its eye. Number 2 The rooster sang it sat on a tree. The rooster sang sitting on a tree. Number 3 Rakesh took tea. He sat on a chair. Rakesh took tea sitting on a chair. Number 5 Ravi went home. He rode on a bicycle. Ravi went home riding on a bicycle. Number B The cat caught the rat. It climbed up the tree. The cat caught the rat climbing up the tree. Number VI The jackal ran. It caught the rooster by its neck. The jackal ran. Catch the rooster by its neck. Number B This sentence can also be written beginning with the second part of the sentence. Example Closing its eye. The rooster sang. Number A Right answer to the following question. Number 1 What is the story about? गपटी क्यों विषय? The story is about the rooster and the jackal. Number 2 What did the jackal ask the rooster to do? କୋକିଶିଆଳ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ କହିଲା? The jackal asked the rooster to sing closing its eye. Number 3 The rooster sang closing its eyes. What did the jackal do? ଗଞ୍ଜା ତାର ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରି ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲା. କୋକିଶିଆଳ କ'ଣ କଲା? The jackal caught the rooster his prey by its neck whenever closing its eye. Number IV The jackal opened its mouth. What did the rooster do? କୋକିଶିଆଳ ତାର ପାଟି ଖୋଲିଲା. ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି କ'ଣ କଲା? The rooster freed itself from the jackal and flew up to a tree. As soon as the jackal opened its mouth. एहीपरि अनेक वीडियो देखिया पाई तुमे माने साइन एजुकेटर यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करके रखंतो एवं तुम सांग मानक सहित एही वीडियोटी शेयर करंतो। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।